Peel masking tape from baseboards in a way that protects drywall paper and preserves a clean line. Use painter's tape rated for delicate surfaces and press it down gently with a fingernail or a soft cloth rather than a hard tool so it sticks without tearing the paper. If the paint edge is still wet, pull the tape back over itself at a low angle slowly and steadily to lift the paint with the tape and prevent tugging on drywall fiber. When the paint has dried, score the paint line along the tape with a sharp utility knife held almost flat to the wall, and then remove the tape slowly to avoid peeling the dried film and the paper beneath. If you worry about paint pulling at corners or seams, warm the tape slightly with your hand or a hairdryer on low to soften the adhesive before you pull. Always remove tape in a continuous motion instead of short jerks, and keep the pull angle between 10 and 45 degrees to reduce shear stress on the paper. For large jobs, remove shorter lengths at a time and check edges frequently so you can stop and score immediately if you see lifting. The common issue of tape tearing the drywall paper comes from overly aggressive pressing of tape when applying it, which embeds adhesive into the paper. Avoid that by applying light, even pressure only where needed. Another frequent problem is removing tape after paint has fully cured and become rigid. Either remove tape while paint is still tacky, or score the edge first to separate paint film from drywall paper. A third concern is using the wrong tape for the surface. If adhesive is too strong, switch to a tape labeled for delicate or freshly painted surfaces and test a small strip first. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and share project experiences that relate to careful finishing and drywall protection. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site includes an active discussion community where we exchange tips and troubleshooting advice.